Okay, so here we are in the WordPress dashboard for the website. All we need to do is scroll down, find Revolution slider on the left hand side, click that. This will bring us to the slider dashboard where we can see our different sliders. We would want to edit the home page slider. The easiest thing to do would be go directly into edit slides. For the home page, here we have a list of our slides. Here you can publish or unpublish slides by clicking on the little tick icon. If it goes red, it means it's unpublished. If it's green, it means it's published. You can also preview a slide and see what we're seeing, what it's doing. It's the same for all of them. So a good way to start to create a new slide would be to duplicate a slide. So I'll just click duplicate. You need to wait a little bit. You get a message saying here slide duplicated successfully. The page will reload and we will see our new duplicate slide here. And we go, I would unpublish this straight away. Go into it by clicking on the green icon, then click edit slide. This brings up the slide tab. This is the title for our slide, so we can easily identify it. So we can call this new slide for now. The status is unpublished, so we just did that. No need to worry about the transitions. If you go to enable link, this will enable a link on the whole slide. So what we want to do here is where we want to link slide to, and the link will open in the same window. So we'll choose a specific page or post and enter that, or event, or whatever it might be. And scroll down. We want to change the background image for the slide. We just click on change image. Here is where we would select a new image for that slide. So ideally it would be quite a big image. I would have to upload one, but you get the idea. Maybe let's have a look. Ideally you'd want an image with no text on it, so this looks like a good image here. We say insert, here we have our image. Now we come back down we would set the image to cover or contain, but cover is best. It means it stretches the whole slide area. If you click preview here, which is a small magnifying glass icon, it will show you what it looks like. So ideally you would click update slide. Slide's been updated, you can click preview and you'll see what your slider image will look like in the background. So depending how you want to center that image would be the best way. Normally we just do center top. And we can send you a link to the image size, optimal image size. Then here we have our layers within the slider. So this is the image banner. Again, if you click that, you could change that to a different source. So we could say the buffer load logo will be our image source, and then here we have our text. If you click on that, your text will appear here, and you can enter text here. text can be dragged and repositioned to wherever you want on the slider. The next stage is the layers and timing sorting. This is basically when we want things to appear. So at the moment, image 1, which is labelled here, let's call this logo if you wanted to identify it better. Okay, update and see the change here. Well, we can rename, we can position the logo and say when we want the animation to start and end. At the moment this is a millisecond, so the logo will appear 1.5 seconds into when after the slide appears, and the text will appear 2.5 seconds after the slide first appears, so 1 second after the logo. If we update this again and then preview, you'll see what I mean. So 1 second and then another second, and there's our image, our slider, sorry. If we wanted to change the order of appearance, we would just change the numbers here, and the layers basically mean which one's on top of the other one. You can also drag these around, so if you wanted the text below, the image above, etc. Once we're happy with our slide, we update it, and we then select published and then save it as well. You can also save by clicking this green icon on the right hand side. If you want to reposition the slide, so you want it to be first, you would just literally drag it and it will be the first slide. And that's it really. If we go back to the slide list, we will see that our slide is there. Obviously it's unpublished at the moment. I will now delete this slide as it is not needed. Hope this helps.